Hey there, guys. Lyndon. Uh, just saying it is 2:04 on Tuesday, April 28th, year 2026. Anyway, we're here, meant to be here, but just wanted to do some teachings on. Um, now I see why. Anyway, um, wanted to do some teachings on the beauty of all things and how alignment, even whether it is with the things of your past, but my buddy Aaron Michael's son, Aaron motherfucking son, Aaron Michael, or your Saint Michael, however you want to look at that. And when you get a chance, give your Saint Michael some sunflowers and tell him thank you for always seeing you, because you say thank you, giving him a sunflower. Like I saw yesterday in my awareness that not a lot of people are aware that I am aware, but I am aware of all things. But seeing the beauty in all things too. My best friend, brother, soul brother. Yeah, might go even deeper than that. But the asceticism is the practice of rigorous self-discipline, renunciation of material pleasures, and voluntary self-denial to achieve spiritual growth, moral purification, or higher consciousness. Common in world religions, it includes fasting, poverty, and celibacy, focusing on mastering desires rather than mere pain. It is seen as a means to foster deeper spiritual connection, freedom from temptation, and joy through detachment. And that's the thing with me. I've gone through the processes. Those were my 6 aligned selves. Now I'm at my 7th self, which is the full embodiment of me. And as I was kind of joking earlier, I am speaking into the water bowl because this is the resonance of all things, that we have given it truly everything, everything that we have. And we are all in this water bowl together, but it's coming into alignment and seeing the beauty of all things. So as I realign myself by walking backwards, I want to show you an example. It's like up top, you see clean, aligned slightly. We can make it more aligned, even more. There you go. We roll up the napkins like we're at a restaurant. It doesn't have to be a certain restaurant, but any certain restaurant that wants to roll their napkins, roll their napkins. Or if they find better alignment for them in that need or that time, whatever it may be, then that might be their need. But right now, my alignment, garlic salt, salt, and I put a stamp on it right there. That's my final seal of approval. But then things are aligned. Here we go. Then you come down here, some dishes. Jeez, calm down. I'll do those. And so what I'm saying is, here we got a little bit of alignment. And it's like, wow, that's what he uses. Yes, I took some drinks today to calm my mind and my thoughts, because my brother Aaron sent me over this word to Google. And I was like, wow, I never heard of that word, but it was the right timing. So then it led me from cleaning up that to cleaning the, so then it led me to cleaning up there, to realigning. Then we got the trash thrown. We got this. We got all this done. Here we go. We got cleaned. We cleaned out the cat filter, which we need to go and reset in our app. And the peas pet. There we go. Which is an automatic pet drinking fountain. that is beautiful in all things. And look. Mm-hmm. Make sure you do your updates. Because updates could send things that update other things, other apps, other alignments.